Hello everyone! Today I'm super happy to show you these creations of mine. It took me some time to accomplish this project and I'm super happy that now it's all ready. And all of these beautiful houses are available in my Etsy shop. Sorry, I really do think they are beautiful. I'm really proud of myself. And I really hope that this video will inspire you, if not to buy one of these, but maybe to create something similar. There is not much to tell about these houses, apart from that they're made of paper clay. If you're interested in some tutorial on how to make this, because some process parts, they are quite challenging, I will think about making a video. And for now I will just put some nice music on and will let you enjoy seeing these beautiful houses.
If you just look through the scintillating door, you're gonna see me there, just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best with mingle and small talk. And then I hear a crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket. Then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. You tell me, don't you think this place is looking crowded? And then you whisper in my ear, look, I'm not even sure, my mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
You ask me about my sweater with Santa in space. I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow, it looks like we stand under a mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
And then I'm thanking Santa,
this must be a sign,
'cause your funny space sweater
is now full of wine.
You tell me, don't you think this part is very loud? That's why you whisper in my ear,
let's find another place and leave behind this crowd. And then I know that Christmas is here. I saw you through the door, just sitting on your own. Decide to break the ice by setting up the tone, looking for a way to finally catch your eye. Couldn't think of nothing better than a glass of spilled wine.
You tell me, don't you think this party's very loud? That's why you whispered in my ear,
let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, 'cause
Christmas is finally here.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirit bright,
this is it for now. If you're interested in these houses, please feel free to visit my Etsy shop. They are discounted now, by the way. So, as always, I wish you to stay safe, healthy, and creative.